Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn the following topics: what are props, how to use them, and doing some hands-on on them. The components in React use props to communicate with each other. The parent component can pass information to the child components through props. Props can also be used to pass objects, arrays, and functions. I will create three components, component A, component B, and already I have a hello world component created, and try to pass value from the app component to A and B first. I will be passing first name, last name in hello world. In component A only first name, in component B only last name, and this is the main app component which will be the parent component where I have used component A, component B, and hello world component. Let's start coding. So as you see, I already have a hello world component over here. I'm going to create two new components. One is component A, then use the shortcut to create a arrow function component. Another component B, and use the same, and it will create the component. And app.js, this is our parent component, so I will be importing them. Okay, and as we use components parent and child, I will be passing them here. Component A, if you come to the browser, you will see component A, component B, and hello world coming up. Now we are going to use props. So in order to declare the props, I am using curly braces first. Curly braces is very important. Just remember when you are writing props inside this. So I have two props currently, first name and last name. Okay, and in each of my component A, I will only use first name. I want to give my first name as Abhavya. Component B, I will use only Varma as my last name, and in hello world I would like to pass both the components. Okay, save it, and coming to component A, here I will write that I'm using first name here, and I can write here my name, first name is, and use the props like this. Okay, coming to the browser, we see first name is Abhavya right now. In component B, I will do similar thing. I will write last name here. You can see last name coming over here. And in hello world, I am going to use both the props. So first name, comma, last name. It's like destructuring. You can only write props and destructure later on also. So that also works. Okay, so you see the three results coming up here: Abhavya Varma and Abhavya Varma. Why these values are coming? Because in our parent component, I have passed these values as props. Okay, and the flexibility what I get, if I want to pass first name as Abhavya here, and here I want to modify anything, like I will change the name to Abha, okay, and save it. Then you will see in the my name is Abha Verma is coming up here. You can modify individual component by the way which value you are passing in that component. Okay, and also if you have declared something like first name here as Abhavya, and instead of writing it like this, you can also write like this. Okay, in the same way I will do it for this prop also, and it will again give you the same result. So this is also a way of passing. Similarly, you can pass objects, arrays, functions, anything. You can declare a function here, and from your child component you can click a button and run the function present in your parent component. So this was all about props. If you have some more questions or you want me to cover any other detail about the props, do mention in the comment section. Thank you everyone.